Want a whiter smile without spending a fortune at the dentist? This is your year. From LED-powered kits to enamel-safe formulas, we've tested the latest teeth whitening solutions that actually work and deliver results you can see fast. Whether you're prepping for a big event or just want to boost your confidence, these are the top 5 teeth whitening kits that are safe, effective, and totally worth your money. And if you see one you love, I've dropped updated links with the best pricing in the description below. Coming in at number 5, we've got the My Smile Teeth Whitening Kit. And honestly, this one's a game changer if you've got sensitive teeth like me. You know that awful zingy feeling you get with most whitening products? Yeah, My Smile basically said not today to that problem. This kit uses a gentler formula that's specifically designed for people who usually can't handle the intense whitening treatments. The LED light technology is pretty solid too. It's not the most powerful on the market, but it gets the job done without making your teeth feel like they're on fire. What I really love about this kit is how user-friendly it is. The mouth tray is actually comfortable to wear, which is saying something because most of these things feel like medieval torture devices. The gel has a mint flavor that doesn't taste medicinal, and the 10-minute treatment sessions are perfect for busy people. I've been using it for about 3 weeks now, and I'm seeing gradual but noticeable results without any of that sensitivity drama. The only downside? It takes a bit longer to see dramatic results compared to harsher formulas. But honestly, the comfort trade-off is worth it. At around $39 to $49, depending on where you shop, My Smile sits right in that sweet spot for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to sacrifice quality. You're getting 35 treatments in the kit, which breaks down to about $1 per session. That's way cheaper than a single professional whitening appointment. For anyone who's been burned by harsh whitening products before, this is definitely worth trying. It's like the gentle giant of teeth whitening kits. Number 4 on our list is the Snow Teeth Whitening Kit. And let me tell you, this thing looks like it belongs in a dentist's office. The LED technology here is seriously impressive. We're talking about a wireless, hands-free mouthpiece that uses red light therapy combined with their proprietary whitening serum. It's like having a mini spa treatment for your teeth, and the results are pretty dang impressive. I've tried a lot of LED systems, and Snow's technology definitely stands out from the crowd. The thing that really sets Snow apart is their formula. It's designed to work on all types of stains: coffee, wine, smoking, you name it. The serum is enamel-safe, but still powerful enough to tackle some serious discoloration. The treatment process is super straightforward. You apply the serum, pop in the mouthpiece, and let the LED magic happen for about 10 to 30 minutes, depending on your sensitivity level. The wireless design means you can actually move around and do other things while it's working, which is a huge plus in my book. Now, Snow isn't cheap. You're looking at around $149 to $199 for the complete kit, which puts it in the premium category. But here's the thing. You're getting professional-grade technology and enough serum for months of treatments. When you break it down per use, it's still way more affordable than professional whitening, and the results are honestly comparable. If you're serious about whitening and want that high-tech experience, Snow is definitely worth the investment. Just be prepared to commit to the higher price point. Taking the number 3 spot is the Oraglow Teeth Whitening Kit, and this one's all about that gel game. If you're someone who prefers a more traditional whitening approach but still wants modern results, Oraglow has got you covered. Their carbamide peroxide gel is no joke. It's the same active ingredient that dentists use, just in a concentration that's safe for home use. The kit comes with multiple gel syringes, so you're definitely getting your money's worth in terms of product volume. What makes Oraglow special is their dual approach system. You've got the powerful gel working as the heavy lifter, and then the LED light accelerates the whitening process. The mouth tray is actually moldable, which means you get a custom fit that's way more comfortable than those one-size-fits-all options. I've found that the gel consistency is perfect. Not too thick that it's goopy, not too thin that it slides around. The mint flavor is subtle and pleasant, and you can really feel it working without that harsh burning sensation. The price point on Oraglow is pretty reasonable at around $59 to $79. And honestly, You're getting a lot of bang for your buck. The kit includes enough gel for about 20 treatments, plus the LED light system and custom-fit trays. The results are noticeable after just a few uses, and by week 2, people were definitely commenting on how much brighter my smile looked. The only thing to keep in mind is that the gel can cause some sensitivity if you overdo it, so definitely follow the instructions and don't get too trigger-happy with the treatments. Coming in at number 2 is the iSmile Teeth Whitening Kit, and this one's the definition of getting premium results without the premium price tag. For around $29 to $39, you're getting LED technology that rivals kits costing twice as much. The light system is surprisingly powerful for the price point, and the whitening gel formula is gentle but effective. I was honestly skeptical at first because of how affordable it is, but iSmile really delivers on their promises. The setup is super simple. You get a comfortable mouth tray, LED light, and enough whitening gel for about 10 treatments. The light has a built-in timer, so you don't have to worry about overdoing it, and the 16-minute treatment sessions are perfect for multitasking. I love that you can use it while watching TV or scrolling through your phone. The gel has a pleasant taste and doesn't cause that weird tingling sensation that some whitening products give you. After just 1 week of daily use, I was already seeing noticeable results. What really impressed me about iSmile is the customer service and the fact that they offer a money-back guarantee. For a budget-friendly option, they really stand behind their product, which gives you that extra confidence in your purchase. The LED light is rechargeable via USB, so you don't have to worry about batteries, and the whole kit comes in a nice carrying case. If you're new to teeth whitening or just want to try it out without a huge investment, iSmile is honestly the perfect starting point. The value you get for under $40 is pretty incredible. And taking the number 1 spot, drum roll please, it's the Crest 3D White Strips Professional Effects. I know strips might seem old school compared to all these fancy LED systems, but hear me out. These things are absolutely legendary for a reason. Crest has been perfecting this formula for years, and the Professional Effects line is basically the gold standard of at-home whitening. The hydrogen peroxide formula is dentist approved and delivers results that are honestly on par with professional treatments. The beauty of white strips is in their simplicity and effectiveness. You literally just peel, stick, and go about your day. No messy gels, no LED lights to charge, no complicated setup, just pure whitening power that works. Each strip is preloaded with the perfect amount of whitening gel, so there's no guesswork involved. The adhesive technology keeps them securely in place, and the 30-minute treatment time flies by. I've personally used these strips multiple times over the years, and they consistently deliver dramatic results. We're talking 3 to 4 shades whiter in just 2 weeks. At around $44 to $54 for a 20-day treatment pack, Crest white strips are incredibly cost-effective when you consider the results you're getting. That's less than $3 per treatment for professional-level whitening. The strips are also backed by decades of research and millions of satisfied customers. There's a reason dentists recommend them. The only downside is that some people experience sensitivity, but Crest has addressed this with their gentler formulas too. If you want proven results from a trusted brand without breaking the bank, Crest 3D White Strips Professional Effects are hands down the best choice for most people.